Hi guys, welcome to part 5 of IGCSE Pearson at Excel qualification, which deals with the transferable skills. So let's first understand what is this skills all about. The IGCSE specification aims at the broad and deep development of skills. The design of the revised International GCSE aims to extend students' knowledge by broadening and deepening skills. For example, students will develop the ability to read sources, to interpret and evaluate business information, write extended responses, respond appropriately to a range of question types including multiple choice, short answer, data response, and open-end questions, and develop an understanding of business concepts and apply these concepts to real life situations. So this is the objective of transferable skills. That means, in simple words, this IGCSE Pearson at Excel qualification aims to improve the skills of the students, and we'll just see what are those skills. The main three skills which IGCSE specification aims at is interpersonal skills, cognitive skills, and intrapersonal skills, along with literacy skills and numeracy. So let's see what is cognitive skills. So it consists of cognitive processes and strategies. And here you can see under cognitive, critical thinking, problem solving, analysis, reasoning, interpretation, decision making, adaptive learning, executive function, creativity, and innovation. So these are the main skills which has been assessed by this qualification under cognitive skills. So, and it is given that reasoning for business means making deductions and drawing conclusions from a variety of information resources. And the skills have been interpreted for this specification to ensure they are appropriate for the subject. All the skills listed are evident or accessible in the teaching, learning, or assessment of the qualification. Some skills are directly assessed. Pearson materials will support you in identifying these skills and developing these skills in students. The table on the next page sets out the framework and gives an indication of the skills that can be found in the business and indicates the interpretation of the skills in this area. And a full subject interpretation of each skill with mapping to show opportunities for students development is provided on the subject pages of the website qualifications, which is pearson.com. In regard with the intrapersonal skills, qualification aims at assessing your intellectual openness, that is adaptability, personal and social responsibility, continuous learning, intellectual interest, your work ethics, and positive score evaluation. In intrapersonal skills, they assess intellectual openness, work ethic, and positive core self-evaluation. So all these are the types of skills being assessed. The last skill, that is interpersonal skills, which is interpersonal skills, which would assess the positive core self-evaluation, teamwork and collaboration, and leadership skills. So here you can see what are those: communication, collaboration, teamwork, cooperation, interpersonal skills, leadership, responsibility, assertive communication, and self-presentation. So working with other students on business-based problem solving activities and business strategy exercises. So altogether, if you want to know an exact meaning of all these types of skills, like what is communication, what is collaboration, what is teamwork, what is cooperation, it's all given in a downloaded form in your IGCSE qualification website. So if you want further guidance on how to download those documents and understand the concepts of each of these words used, please approach me. So see you soon and watch for the next video, which is grading skills. Thank you so much.